For small and large businesses alike, inventory chaos doesn't just waste time, it drains cash flow and costs your clients customers they can't afford to lose. There is a cure for inventory chaos. Fishbowl is real inventory control made for real everyday businesses. Whether your client is a growing e-commerce shop or a serious manufacturer managing multiple warehouses, Fishbowl eliminates inventory chaos and helps them to scale. Trusted by industry sectors across the world including food and beverage, construction and trades, chemical manufacturing, healthcare and pharmaceuticals, automotive and aerospace and defence supply chains.
Fishbowl gives us a single source of truth for everything we do within the business, especially when it comes to production, but also supporting our R&D activities.
The Fishbowl support team is fantastic, and they've made it really, really easy for us to configure Fishbowl in a way that's suitable for our organisation.
Fishbowl's the best solution. There was the one company that said, you haven't got to take this one size fits all.
I have so much more time to do my other stuff because Fishbowl's basically doing it for me, and by a click of a button I can just move on to something else.
Now that it's going into Fishbowl, it's centralized.
There's really no other program that would allow me to do what I can do. I've never even really thought of Fishbowl as a time-saving tool. I've thought of it more as a necessary tool that you need to have in place or keep track of a day-to-day operation.
Seamless integration, real-time tracking, custom reporting and even a mobile app with barcode scanning.
One of the greatest challenges that we had prior to using Fishbowl was the ability to generate bespoke level reports and to be able to offer those reports to our customers to assist them in being able to manage their inventory, their customer order history, and their receiving history. With Fishbowl, we do that in one suite of reports we can generate for the customers. So with Fishbowl, we've been able to grow our business while customers are growing their business.
Fishbowl is a very powerful tool. It gives me the information I need when I want it, gives my staff members the information they need when they want it, and that's the most powerful tool that you can have in a business. Fishbowl over the last few years has saved us thousands of dollars.
From manufacturing bill of materials and tracking e-commerce orders to shipping rate negotiations and knowing the true cost of everything they produce, your clients can do it all in Fishbowl.
If you actually want to work on your business rather than in your business, Fishbowl is a great solution because it actually gives you the time to do that.
Fishbowl was a natural fit for us and very much complementary to the tech stack we'd already brought on board. We're really excited to see where the future will take us, and we have full confidence that we've got the right partners in place to get there.
Fishbowl includes a powerful AI assistant to make your data actionable. Seamlessly sync your entire operation.
At Fishbowl, it's just taking the human error out of the processes. It's helped us save time, it's helped improve the productivity, and it's reduced our costs. You can't beat Fishbowl.
As I go around the company, I hear Fishbowl is mentioned in almost every second sentence. So it's, where do we find that? Is Fishbowl, go to Fishbowl. Where's that? I've just seen it in Fishbowl.
Fishbowl's easy to use, it's easy to set up, it's easy to put in new users, new parts, new products. We know that once the data's in, it's going to stay correct.
It's improved our communication throughout the company. No longer is it having to be a phone call to find out where this is, or running up and down with a spreadsheet in your hand. It's now just go to Fishbowl. It's changed our lives. Fishbowl has really been so valuable to us. So everybody can now see at a glance, so sales can see what's happening, logistics can see what's happening, production can see what's happening, finance can see. It all comes together, we work as a whole. So with Fishbowl you get instant visibility, you can trace everything back, and it's been a game changer.